Namaste and Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. And guys, class 9 students always keep on requesting me, ma'am, there are so many sessions on class 10, for class 10, why you are bringing so less number of sessions for CBSE class 9. So here is a session for you all, wherein we are going to discuss some important questions related to the chapter tissues. Yes, we have practiced enough on cell and now we have to practice tissues. So if you're excited, hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to post me a you, and here we go. So guys, most important questions related to tissues. Okay, so let's get started. So here is the diagram and there's a classification, basically flow chart of tissues, permanent tissue. So simple, complex, A, B, C. So A, parenchyma, then collenchyma, then B will be sclerenchyma, then under complex xylem, and there will be phloem. So parenchyma, sclerenchyma, phloem, and therefore it has to be B, correct? So yeah guys, B is the correct answer. Then moving further, the involuntary muscle which possesses cells which are cylindrical, branched and uninucleated. So chalo, let's draw cylindrical, branched, okay, uninucleated. So guys, undoubtedly this has to be cardiac muscles, right? So only and only cardiac. Why not others? Because skeletal muscles are long, cylindrical, multinucleated as well as striated. If you talk about the smooth muscles, they are spindle shaped, right? So yep guys, it has to be D. Then which of the following is not a function of the areolar tissue? So guys, I always say air, hawa. So wherever there is air, there will be fill in the blank. I usually remember this way. Okay, so areolar tissue is like a fill in the blank tissue. It fills the vacant spaces and therefore it supports the internal organs. Okay, so yeah, it's a true statement. Then it helps in the rapid contraction and relaxation of heart. Heart is a muscular organ, right? So this is not a function. So this is false. So you have got your answer. So which is not a function. So of course it's second. Okay. Acha. Okay. The options are 1, 2, second and 4 and 1 and 3 also. So chalo, let's see. Then the third one, it helps in repairing the tissue of the skin and the muscles. Yes guys, that is also the function. See, areolar tissue is made up of different type of cells. Along with elastic fibers present in a jelly-like matrix. Okay, it is present between the skin and the muscles. It is present around the blood vessels. It fills the spaces between the internal organs. It supports the internal organs. It helps in the repair of the tissues, and that's the reason why third statement is also the correct one. Okay, then it forms the outer covering of the body and prevents the entry of biological and chemical agents. So guys, this, if I'm not wrong, is the function of the skin, or basically what we call it as epithelial tissue. So this is false. So in that case, which are not the functions? So it's 2 and it's 4. So 2 and 4, the answer is C. Okay, chalo, let's see and move further. Now match the following: skin, multiple layers, stratified squamous. So A has to be 3. A, 3. Okay. Bone, connective tissue. Okay. BBC Lata, blood bone cartilage, ligament, areola, tendons and adipose. So B is 2. So check out A3, B2. A3, A3, B2. Is there any other option? No. So therefore, of course, B is the correct option. So guys, vascular bundle, that is xylem and phloem, form the complex permanent tissue. Bark of the tree. Okay. If we talk about bark of the tree, it is made up of sclerenchyma and that's a simple permanent tissue. So yep, here is the solution, and yeah, therefore B is the correct answer. Then assertion and reasoning. Both vessels and sieve tubes help in transportation of substances. Vessels and sieve tube. Yes, vessels help in transportation of water and sieve tube help in transportation of food. Vessels are lignified Yes, they are dead tissue, they are made up of sclerenchyma, and then that's also true. So this statement is true, this is also true. So assertion and the reason both are true. But is the reason the correct explanation? No, it's not the correct explanation, and hence B is the correct answer. Okay? Then the inner lining of the intestine is composed of tall epithelial cells. So if we see intestine, okay, if we see intestine, so there are finger-like projections which we call them as villi. So they are the tall epithelial. Yes, we call them as we call them as columnar epithelium, right? So of course the first statement is true. Columnar epithelium found in the inner lining of the intestine facilitates absorption and secretion. Yes. Why there are columnar epithelium? Because they help in secretion of digested juices and absorption of digested food or nutrients, and that's the reason why A is true, R is true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, and hence A is the correct answer. Got that? Perfect. So guys, if you're finding the session to be useful, we have numerous sessions on Vedantu's platform which help you to gain conceptual clarity, and we have launched n number of courses, but the one which I would recommend you is CBSE Term 1 crash course. Yep. So guys, if you have any doubts or any conceptual clarity or need any questions and assignments, or if you're lagging behind in your syllabus, you are looking out for a revision plan, or you are having a different language preference, like instead of English you prefer to study in Hindi or English, so here we are for you. Okay, so if you enroll with Vedantu in any of the courses, whether it is NTSC, whether it is term 1 crash, or it is a long term course, any course basically, we cover your entire syllabus. Let's assume that you are enrolling with us for a long term batch. So we cover your entire syllabus for physics, chem, bio, English, maths, and SS. Okay. There are some high level quizzes in each of our sessions, at least 8 to 10. You get an opportunity to compete with the students across the globe. We have students from more than across 35 countries. And even if you miss a session, you can watch the replay. Even while watching replay, you can play quizzes and you can get to see your name flashing on the leaderboard. Wow, that's super, right? So your entire syllabus is being covered. We ensure that revision is done. When we cover the entire syllabus, whatever the presentations we are using, we ensure that we provide you the handwritten notes by the master teacher. Just a single click away, you can download the entire session notes. Okay. In this session, there are class teachers who keep on resolving your doubts, and when your doubts are being cleared, you have a better conceptual clarity, right? And in order to ace in your examinations, we provide you several assignments, test series, mock tests, so much more. So yeah, solve your assignments, solve the mock test, and increase your percentage. To top all these benefits, we are offering you thousands of micro courses, chapter based courses, absolutely free of cost for you all. Yep. So if you want to study cell in detail, tissue in detail, even the deleted chapters like diversity, and if you want to study those chapters in detail, enroll with us because we provide it to you absolutely free of cost. So guys, what else do you need? So yeah, you want to know which are the courses that we offer, right? So we have a pro Lite subscription and the Pro Classic one. Okay, so the Pro Lite is available to you at 2,500, but with my coupon code in place, we offer you it for just 2,250. So what's my coupon code? It's Mac Pro. So yeah, guys, avail the huge discount over here. Okay, and then if you need a doubt solving app on your mobile phone, so offer the Pro Classic subscription, which is offered to you for 3,000. But if you apply my coupon code, it is available to you at just 2,700 only. So guys, that's pretty nominal, right? So when I say, why would you believe it? Actually, let me take you to the website. Okay, so uh, just a sec. Let me show you my platform. Okay, so suppose here is my dashboard. Okay, so likewise there will be your dashboard once you enroll with Vedantu. So when I go to my sessions, I can go on past sessions to see whatever sessions I had conducted in the past. Okay, so if you want to download notes, click on get notes and download the PDF of that particular session. Okay, so you all are from class 9 and this was one of the sessions which I conducted today. Okay, wherein if I scroll it further down, see all the handwritten notes. Okay, all the handwritten notes are provided by me. So this is a quick revision on fundamental unit of life and tissues, and there are so many quizzes, see, which I conducted. So for your term 1 examination, this is like the ideal practice, है ना? Ideal practice. And if you want to watch the replay, you can watch the replay. So let me show you that as well. So when we click on the replay button, okay, so here is it. So let me play it.
वर्तुळ पवित्रा अदिति सौम्यदीप मनीष ऋषि ठीक है.
Can you see? Can you hear? So this is how we conduct the session. And see, can you see I have uncammed a child. So we keep on uncamming, unmuting multiple kids in a session. Okay, multiple kids. So yeah, our sessions are super fun and you get to see the leaderboard as well. Okay, and yep, see यहाँ पे boys won in this particular session. This was super fun. And then you can directly go on to the slides where I had conducted quizzes. Okay, so yeah, directly you can jump on any page that you want. Okay, and if you want to like actually see how many quizzes I conducted, I scroll it further down. So yeah, can you see these many quizzes? See so many quizzes. Yeah, and then bachcho, see doubts, zero doubts asked, zero doubts resolved. So probably the session was so awesome that no questions were asked from the students end, and that's the miracle, or that's what every teacher strives for, right? So enroll with us, guys. What are you waiting for? Enroll with us and enjoy the goodness, witness the goodness, I would say. Okay, and you all know that we had promised VIP Vedantu improvement promise, right? So that's only applicable on enrollment in long-term batches with 75% of the attendance and 75% completion of the assigned tests. Okay, only then the VIP promise is applicable. And here I would like to highlight the results of the previous academic year. See the glorious results and their scores and percentage. Wow, right? So if they can, even you all can. So click on the link which has been put up in the description box, which has also been pinned in the comment section, and ensure that my coupon code is applied, that is MacPro, which helps you to avail 10% additional discount. And now we proceed further with next assertion and reasoning. So skeletal muscles are also known as striated muscles. True or false? So guys, skeletal muscles, they show light and dark bands and hence they are striated muscles. That's true. Under microscope, skeletal muscles show alternate light and dark bands. That's again true, and that's exactly the correct explanation. So it's A. Okay, it's A. Then the next. The movement of alimentary canal, iris of the eye, bronchi of the lungs is not under our will. Yep, they are involuntary muscles and this is true. Involuntary muscles are controlled without engaging our conscious. And yes, that is also true. And that's the reason why they don't work under our will. So here as well, A is the correct answer. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. Then the next one, case study here. So here is the diagram. So basically they have shown A sieve plate, right? B, here is the sieve tube, and then C, it's parenchyma, phloem parenchyma, okay, and D is the companion cell, okay, yep. So let us see what are they exactly asking. So the tissue given in the diagram is xylem, epidermis, cortex, or phloem. Undoubtedly, it's phloem components. Perfect. Then correctly identify A, B, C, D. Okay. So we have already labeled it. I told you B is sieve tube, right? So sieve plate, sieve tube, parenchyma, companion cell. So let's see. Sieve plate, sieve tube, parenchyma, companion cell. So yeah, B is the correct answer. Then the vascular bundle is made up of what? The complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem, both. right? Then, so guys, we reached till the end of the document. If you actually found this session to be useful, the explanations actually useful for your examination, hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel, don't forget to post me a you, and thank you so much guys. Like, share, subscribe, post me a you, reach out to me on my mail address or in the comment section. And that's it for the day. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milavapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye.